New Jersey is a northeastern U.S. state with some 130 miles of Atlantic coast. Jersey City, across the Hudson River from Lower Manhattan, is the site of the Liberty State Park, where ferries embark for nearby Ellis Island with its historic immigration museum and an iconic Statue of Liberty. The Jersey Shore includes notable resort towns like historic Asbury Park and Cape May with its preserved Victorian buildings. A water gap is a geological feature where a river cuts through a mountain ridge. The Delaware Water Gap is a water gap on the border of the U.S. state of New Jersey and Pennsylvania, where the Delaware River cuts through a large ridge of the Appalachian Mountains. The gap makes up the southern portion of the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area, which is used primarily for recreational purposes such as canoeing, fishing, hiking, and rock climbing. The Delaware Water Gap formed 500 million years ago when quartz pebbles from mountains in the area were deposited in a shallow sea. Though the U.S. National Park Service manages the National Recreational Area, portions of the water gap are also patrolled by the New Jersey Division of Parks and Forestry. Now that we got that introduction about New Jersey out of the way and also some additional information about the Delaware Water Gap, let's move into the main feature of this video, the Jersey Lanes Bowling Complex. Jersey Lanes is family owned for generations since 1961 and is one of New Jersey's leading bowling and recreation centers, offering fun and entertainment for all ages in an eco-friendly environment. Jersey Lanes features 42 lanes, all with the latest technology available, from automatic scoring on the synthetic lanes to automatic bumpers, making bowlers of all ages and skill smile.
Attention bowlers, let the machines don't go up before we go football. If now, say leads off. You're not going down there, you know, call the desk.
They pride themselves on outstanding customer service, value, and cleanliness. And don't forget, Jersey Lanes is a non-smoking facility, so they have fresh air to spare. Jersey Lanes recently announced the recent addition of solar power. They are now the biggest solar generating bowling center in New Jersey.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Dr. Marcus George Network today.
Subscribe now to be notified of all upcoming videos.